Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get a 3D Lelutka mesh head. And this is a 3D mesh head in question where you can make skins, hair bases, everything you need. As you can see, it's completely 3D. When you click here on face, you double click it and you get here this 2D layer. You click on this little square and you remove the mesh. By the way, whatever you do on the 2D layer, it transfers to the 3D layer and also the other way around. So anyway, let's go and show you how to apply for it. You go on the Lelutka page. I'm going to link it down below. And when you come to this page, you go on content creators and you come here to log in or to register. If you're already registered, you just log in. So let's click on register. And in username, you type a name you want to have on this Lelutka page. Email address, you type yours in. Then you choose your password to log in later on. Your store name, for me it would be Balandi. Avatar name would be Antes. Content, you pick here what you make. So you can pick female skin, whatever you want to make. Also you can go with freeze detail. And you can select multiple. The more you select, the maybe higher your chances are. You store a sell URL, you put it in here, you go in your store, you copy the link and you put it in here. Your Flickr account, your Facebook account, if you don't have it, you can type in answer, Instagram, the more the better. If you don't have Discord, you don't have to pick it. And click here, please confirm that you agree and register. But since I already have an account, I'm gonna log in. So once you log in, it looks like this. You go content creators. Let me see. Here you go standard logout account user. Let's go to standard. And here you have everything you need. So I talked to the owner of Lelutka and the creator said that every Thursday they accept or reject the applications. So if you, for example, apply Friday, you might have wait a few days. So you can always keep logging in and check it out. So now let's download it. And by the way, it's gonna take a few minutes for it to download, so be patient. And you can always check on here, but it's gonna download in your folder. So to unzip it, you will need WinRAR. You can just type in WinRAR in your browser and then you can download it. Okay, it's done. So right click, extract here. And now you can delete this. You also get like the lashes and the eyebrows and I think the lips layer, and I do not need that. And there is evolution and evolution X, and I'm gonna work with evolution X, so I'm gonna close this one, drag and drop it to Photoshop. Okay, here it is. When you go here on this one, you can see you can rotate the head. And to remove the white on the face, you click here on the 3D option, you click here. Okay, browse. So you basically remove everything what you don't need. And let's click back on layers. You can open a new layer. So to open up the face, you double click for the 2D layer. Okay, like this. We can delete this. The map you can also delete. Utility, we can remove that one as well. So this I can keep on, also this one. So always open a new layer and we can merge these things down. So we're gonna open a new layer now. Now we have our thing prepped, and whatever you do on here, it's gonna transfer to the 3D one. Whatever you do on here, it's gonna transfer on the 2D one. And we have your head prepped. Always make sure you click on this one and here on this instead of the layer to turn your head around. So this is basically the base, so you have it ready to work on it. So for example, I have a hair base that is just the base without the baby hair, so I'm going to show you how it's going to be transferred as well. So drag and drop, click here, and it should also transfer to this one. Always make sure you open the new layer so it does not transfer on the face instead of the layer. So this is it. You have your head, you have your 2D layer, you got the base on. So anyways guys, this is it for this video. If you have any other video requests, let me know in the comments down below, and as always feel free to leave a like, comment. If you didn't already, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!